Good morning, students. We were seeing applied chemistry. We have seen lubricant. Lubricant is any substance introduced between two moving parts or sliding surface with respect to one another to reduce frictional resistance between them. When you have two moving parts, what happens if it moves in the opposite direction? There comes some resistance. So to avoid this, we applied certain substances in between. That is what is known as lubricant. And what is the function of lubricant is main function is to reduce friction, then it reduces wear and tear, serves as corrosion resistor, reduces surface deformation, and even act as coolant. And we have already seen different types of lubricant: liquid, solid, and semi-solid. Then we have seen preparation and uses of shampoo, nail polish, sunscreen. What are the ingredients needed, how it is prepared. Today we will go to tooth powder and toothpaste. So preparation and uses of tooth powder. What is a tooth powder? It is some substance or powder which is used to polish the surface of the teeth. What it does is it cleanses, it removes all the plaques in the teeth and it cleanses the teeth. So the teeth will have a polishing look, and it acts as an abrasive when rubbed with the hand. When we rub it with our hand, the tooth powder with the hand, what happened is all the plaques all will go. That is abrasive. It acts as an abrasive and removes all the dirt. Okay. Then in preparation, the raw materials used is calcium carbonate precipitated. Precipitated means purified, pure form, or magnesium carbonate. It is used as the polishing agent. Then soap powder, foaming agent. When you use the tooth powder, some foams that is by soap powder. Thymol, menthol, and peppermint oil. These are flavoring agent to get color, smell, etc. We are adding. Saccharin is the sweetening agent. Tooth powder has a sweet taste that is given by saccharin. Then method: polishing agent, foaming agent, and sweetening agents are mixed thoroughly in proper proportion in an enameled vessel. Enameled vessel means ceramic vessels you have seen, is it? That is what is enamel. Okay, so enameled vessel nullile polishing agent. What is polishing agent? Calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. Then foaming agent, soap powder, then saccharin. These three will be taken and it will be mixed thoroughly. Then thymol and menthol are separately powdered and mixed to form a liquid. So this will be taken in an enamel vessel. In another vessel we will be mixing thymol and menthol. So thymol and menthol, when it is mixed, it will be converted to a liquid. That will be thoroughly mixed. Now what is doing is, it is triturated with the above mixture. This liquid, in the liquid idukulla potittu nallaayitte it will be grinded. அது கிரைண்ட் பண்ணும்போது that process name வந்து triturated. A liquid இதுமாயிட்டு mix ஆகி it will be converted to a very fine powder. Then after that we will add peppermint oil. Then it will be again stirred well so that all the things will be in the uniformly spread. Now it is packed in wax paper. So what are the things? Polishing agent is calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate. Foaming agent is a soap. Sweetening is saccharin. These three will be mixed thoroughly in an enamel vessel. In another vessel, thymol and menthol will be mixed so that it will convert to the liquid. Then this will be added to get a fine powder. Our process in the period triturated, because it will be added from the pipette or அது மாதிரி ஆட் பண்ணி ஸ்டிரர் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் வாட் இஸ். And then we will add peppermint and it will be, the powder will be stirred well with a spatula so that we get a uniform composition, and it is packed in wax paper. So that is only tooth powder. Next is toothpaste. Toothpaste are suspensions of polishing agent in a suitable bind. Powder வந்து it is in the powder form. This will be in the form of a paste. அதுதான் difference. Semi solid இதில். What are its functions? It polishes the surface of the tooth, it removes plaques, it removes stain, it makes mouth fresh. And the main function was the plaques remove. Plaques means what are the things accumulating in our teeth after eating, drinking and all. Okay, so and the plaques remove panni clean aayittu teeth ne vekkum. So it polishes and it also gives a shining appearance. Then stains, when we take some juices or beetroot adha maadhiri okke edukkumbodhu what happens, some stains will be formed, that will be removed and mouth வந்து fresh, it makes it fresh. That is the function. Again raw materials எடுத்தால dicalcium phosphate is the polishing agent, sodium lauryl sulfate is foaming agent, this we used in shampoo. Then some gum binding agent to keep all the things together, saccharin sweetening agent, glycerol humectant, that is paste ரொம்ப நாள் இருந்தாலும் அது ட்ரை ஆகக்கூடாது, அதுக்கு we use glycerol. Then menthol, thymol and peppermint oil, then that is flavoring agent. Then methyl para hydroxybenzoate is a preservative. So main ingredient one, it is similar to what is in the tooth powder only, because they both have the same functional, but this is in a different form, that is only the difference. So dicalcium phosphate polishing agent, foaming agent sodium lauryl sulfate, any gum you can use it a binding agent, saccharin as the sweetening agent, humectant is glycerol, flavoring agent is menthol, thymol and peppermint oil, and methyl para hydroxybenzoate is preservative. Then method one, polishing agent, that is dicalcium phosphate, foaming agent is sodium lauryl sulfate, binding agent is gum, glycerol is humectant, sweetening agent saccharin, and preservative is methyl para hydroxybenzoate. These all will be mixed thoroughly in an enameled vessel. Or enameled vessel idellam vachu will mix thoroughly. Another vessel we take thymol and menthol and that will be mixed so that it will be converted to a liquid. Then this will be added to this mixture. Then peppermint oil also will be added to this mixture. Then powder is stirred well with the required amount of water. Now we got a tooth powder மாதிரி powder கிடைக்கு. இதில் வந்து we add whatever amount of water added and slowly we will make it into a paste, and that will be packed in an aluminum plastic tube. So function வந்து till last it is same as what we have done in tooth powder only. Polishing agent, foaming agent, binding agent, glycerol, sweetening agent, preservatives. Except flavoring agent, everything will be thoroughly mixed in an enameled vessel. Then menthol and thymol will be separately mixed so that it converts to a liquid, that is triturated with the mixture to get a powder. Then peppermint oil will be added and stirred well so that we get a uniform powder. To this we will add correct proportion of the water so that it converts to a paste, and then it will be stored in the aluminum or plastic tubes. So that is how toothpaste is made. Okay, thank you.